Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set double tap to lock screen on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Then scroll down, tap touch, click on assistive touch. Then turn on assistive touch. Come to see customize actions and then click on double tap. Now, under double tap, scroll down and then select lock screen. Now hit the bar button. Now when next you want to double tap to lock your iPhone screen, just locate the assistive touch button and tap it twice. And then you should see the screen locked. And this is going to lock your iPhone screen. And that's it. So, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.